In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically insert a date and timestamp in Google Sheets. This is a handy trick, especially if you want to track activities or updates over time without having to manually enter the date each time. Let's dive right in and simplify your task management. First, you'll need to open Google Sheets. If you're not already there, head over to your Google Drive, find the Google Sheets icon, and open it. Choose an existing spreadsheet or start a new one if you prefer. This step sets the stage for the process, as we'll be using it to automatically generate the date and time. Once your Google Sheet is open, identify the cell where you'd like the date to appear. Click to select this cell. It'll serve as our canvas for entering dynamic dates. Remember, selecting the appropriate cell ensures your data is organized and exactly where you need it in your spreadsheet. Next, within the selected cell, type the @ symbol. Google Sheets has a handy feature that leverages the @ symbol to suggest possible inputs or actions. As you type @, a list of options will pop up for you to explore. Among these suggested options, you'll see today's date appear. Click on it. Doing so links today's date to your selected cell. This feature significantly minimizes the chance of error and saves time by automating the input of the current date. Now, we'll extend this automation by incorporating a timestamp. Click on another cell where you'd like the timestamp to be displayed. The separation of these elements, date and timestamp, in different cells helps maintain clarity and reduces any potential confusion while analyzing your data at a later point. In this new cell, type the formula X now without the quotes. Make sure you type an equal sign followed by now, then open and close parenthesis. Press Enter, and you'll see the current date and time appear in that cell. This formula doesn't require additional input from you, which means it automatically updates whenever there's a change in your sheet. This constant updating can be particularly beneficial for tracking events and updates in real time. With these steps, you now have a functioning setup to automatically insert the date and a dynamically updating timestamp in your Google Sheets. These features embody a seamless and efficient way of keeping your data organized and timely, making your spreadsheets smarter and more responsive to your needs. Whether you're managing a project timeline, tracking your work hours, or simply monitoring daily activities, this method will undoubtedly assist you in maintaining an accurate and up-to-date record with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy spreadsheeting!